Racing Speedway and a world of sets on the wall. Turn the wheel for crazy action. Hot Wheels cars make it move. It's spinning auto motion. Jump the bridge. And for more insane...
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 472, effective until 3 a.m. Friday morning. This watch includes the following counties: in Minnesota, Aitkin, Beltrami, Cass, Crow Wing, Cook, Carlton, Hubbard, Itasca, Coochin, Lake of the Woods, Lake, Pine, Brazeau, and St. Louis, and the following counties: in Wisconsin, Ashland, Bayfield, Burnett, Douglas, Sawyer, and Washburn. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, local radio and television outlets for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 472, effective until 3 a.m. Friday morning. This watch includes the following counties: in Minnesota, Aitkin, Beltrami, Cass, Crow Wing, Cook, Carlton, Hubbard, Itasca, Coochin, Lake of the Woods, Lake, Pine, Brazeau, and St. Louis, and the following counties: in Wisconsin, Ashland, Bayfield, Burnett, Douglas, Sawyer, and Washburn. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, local radio and television outlets for the latest severe weather information.
He is doing 44 in a 45.
In the nation, safe just got a little more exciting.
The National Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern St. Louis County in northeast Minnesota, east central Carlton County in northeast Minnesota, northeastern Pine County in northeast Minnesota, western Douglas County in northwest Wisconsin until 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:21 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing golf ball-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 2 miles north of Wisconsin's Flare to 5 miles north of Canyon, moving east at 55 miles per hour. These storms will be near Carlton, Scanlon, and Munger by 9:25 p.m. Central Standard Time, Proctor, Steelton, and Oliver by 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, Duluth International Airport by 9:35 p.m. Central Standard Time, Hermantown, Kenwood, Arnold, and Duluth by 9:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, Superior by 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time, Rice Lake, Clifton, French River, and Palmers by 9:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Hail up to golf ball size, wind gusts over 60 miles per hour, and heavy rain are likely with these storms. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go into a basement or a small interior room on the lowest floor of a house or business. Repeat, warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Minnesota: St. Louis, Carlton, Pine, and the following county, Douglas County, Wisconsin.
Upgrade to the triple play for as low as $89.99 a month. Time Warner Cable. Enjoy better. And catch The Lone Ranger now in theaters.
You out of this house. Pretty scary, huh? Not exactly. A princess? Come on, Louie. You better.
Message from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Jules, Minnesota has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Carlton County in northeastern Minnesota, southern St. Louis County in northeastern Minnesota, northwestern Douglas County in northwestern Wisconsin until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 3 miles southeast of Scotts Corner, or about 4 miles southwest of Renthal, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Local homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Some locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include New Jules, Morgan Park, Fond-du-Lac, Veterans Evergreen Memorial Park, Superior, Jules, West Jules, Lincoln Park, and Proctor. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of the 30 building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in the mobile home, or in the vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
I doth declare that thou have brought over many discounts to thine customers.
Safe driver, multi-car, paid in full. A most fulsome bounty indeed, Lord Jamie.
Thou cometh and we, thy saveth.
Please stand by. Station KIG-64 will be up shortly.
The National Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota, has issued a flash flood warning for South Central St. Louis County, Northeast Carlton County, Northwest Douglas County, until 1:15 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday. At 10:16 p.m., the public reported flash flooding and heavy rainfall associated with a line of severe thunderstorms which were moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, flash flooding. Source, public reported. At 10:13 p.m., the St. Louis County Emergency Management reported blood raining from the sky, causing water to contaminate in the area. In addition, the sky has reportedly turned reddish color, and the color of lightning has turned black. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 1:15 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties: Carlton, St. Louis, and Douglas.
Move. It's nutritious. It's made with low-fat milk with no artificial growth hormones or high fructose corn.
Giant store on your little phone. That's Progressive Mobile.
Whether you're up all night or up...
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Emergency Management Departments of the states of Minnesota and Wisconsin. Residents in the warned area are advised to shelter in place at this time. An unknown anomaly regarding the ongoing weather conditions affecting northeast Minnesota and northwest Wisconsin is occurring at this time. Reports are coming in about spiders falling from the sky and a high frequency of lightning strikes across the warned area. In addition, according to the National Weather Service office in Duluth, the storms have stopped moving and are now beginning to spread in all directions. If you have an emergency, call 911 immediately. Do not go outside for any reason, as lightning is nature's #1 killers. In addition, these spiders have been reported to transform people into spiders, if bitten. Repeating, an unknown anomaly regarding the ongoing weather conditions affecting northeast Minnesota and northwest Wisconsin.
And what were you, the centerfold? I'm sorry, but I refuse to believe you have ever read a scientific journal. Believe what you want, see if I care. Hypersexual b****.
This is the Beltrami County Emergency Operations Center. Due to the weather anomaly currently affecting a large portion of Minnesota, we ask that all residents of Beltrami County take shelter in a sturdy structure. Repeating, due to the ongoing weather anomaly currently affecting a large portion of Minnesota, we ask that all residents of Beltrami County take shelter in a sturdy structure. Beltrami County Emergency Operations Center clear.
Can you keep a secret?
From the Minnesota Department of Emergency Management, a state of emergency has been declared due to the ongoing weather anomaly. The severe thunderstorm has continued to expand across the area and has intensified. In addition, the amount of spiders falling out of the sky has been increasing rapidly. The Minnesota Department of Emergency Management orders that all residents in the affected area continue to shelter in place. Do not go outdoors, as you will risk being bitten by the spiders or being struck by lightning. Please stay tuned to media outlets for further information.
This is an immediate evacuation notice from the Emergency Management Departments of Minnesota and Wisconsin. Multiple reports have come in that the large number of spiders falling from the sky have been entering homes through cracks and gaps around doors, windows, and vents, making sheltering in place ineffective. As a result, all residents are now being ordered to evacuate from the northeastern Minnesota and northwest Wisconsin areas. Contraflow has been enabled for a quicker evacuation process. Exercise caution while evacuating, as severe thunderstorms are still ongoing. Do not return to the area until it is deemed safe to do so.
Have you heard? Herbal Essences Smooth and Shine collections are back and more irresistible than ever. With rose hips and chamomile, you'll fall in love with your hair all over again. Herbal Essences. Say yes again to naturally irresistible hair. Launch us when
A civil authority has issued an administrative message for the following counties/areas: all of Minnesota, all of Wisconsin, effective until 4:02 p.m. Central Standard Time. This is a message from the Minnesota and Wisconsin Departments of Emergency Management. This is an all-clear message. It has been deemed safe to return to northeast Minnesota and northwest Wisconsin. Repeating, this is an all-clear message. It is now safe to return. Normal programming will now resume.
Home is definitely designed around my family. That's why I have lots of hard floors. And though I've tried lots of different cleaners, I've even tried scrubbing on my hands and knees.